It's hip and happening la eSouth Coast Mall la sikhona kwi-South Coast Hip Hop Festival eyenzeka ngomhla ka-6 September 2025. Igama lami ke nguMbongeni ngowakamthwane. It's a third annual South Coast Hip Hop Festival. Ngizokuthatha ke ngibeke la kuma performances athe enzeka lapha. Namanye ke ama-artist engithe ngabe nenhlanhla yokuthi ngikhulumisane nawo. Siyazi ukuthi ke iSouth Coast Hip Hop Festival ihlelwa iPressa Entertainment. Angizochitha isikhathi ke lapha. Take a look.
Mina ngusosiba mkhulu
Taxi
abafana ngisakandlovu uyangena unembeza ngalo
back
insimbi zasulisa kahlela ngoba ngimfesa
yankoqa
sebegcwele ngibathelela iflow amere
Gospel
kabaza manhlami maniko bra them no scorer
say
sangenje mangena dlazena ngifani no deme Samangena akunakukecha baleka wedeme Tafela ungifaka uqosini ofuqa uthi ngiphinde ngibagabse Batshela ukhesha nginandaba nathani bazophinde bagcwale lezi izinto ezenza nginamathela ubeat manje
Qeda kungidabulela i-freestyle ehlaphulana i-freestyle
blind lomchisa face so much blind lomchisa face abo sponsor ngiyasilalela manje ngi-artist lapho
Taxi Zadu Taxi thank you pick up more fire Team Sosiba mkhulu the big sauce in the building Papa South Coast Hip Hop Festival as you know don't fuck around
gonna get
Imao
Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home.
See time when people change, but numbers don't. It's real. Overdose of the skill that we can overdose. We make dough with a flowery gassy. It's way of rose and puzzle talking at the tip water. The summer switch flows. I be down for the streets and now it mix me up. Big straight that don't dose and now they wanna throw me up. This time is out for you niggas. If you ain't down with us, I'm moving club. These niggas faster than this. I take a stand, my jail, this is obedience. Nothing made of us put in the team. We got the feeling of us. We bypass those who are biased. Once releasing, you know bias. Bring the flyers, negative bias, easy to bias. The vision of flavor was not what they plan. You see the end of the problems and they menacing us. They must take the man from the previous lives. Those are my genius. I was born with this ink and the skin of bronze and the millions. Till I'm gone, they be feeling this. C'est quoi les titres en fait? C'est quoi les titres? C'est quoi les titres en fait? Check the cars. Ladies and gentlemen, performance spin, That's it, I ended that was spin. Full of spin, man. When it that nice, it's a people which I can't imagine. I'm going to get the house of us, but I'm going to You don't want to mess with it. What's this? Like, okay, this is just one shit of the book. I show my two down again, you mean you rescue food. Grab a got it, grab a boy, move a China, we get you food. And you best set it up, but best set it up, get you food. See when you can pay it down, but I'm coming up with food. It's some kind of kulu, up there, let's have kulu. Move a boy, there's on the side, there's a good thing, so don't play them. You put my head on, you can pay a school for music. I'll put my head on by the time, but I give you some feet. If really find that there's something, you'll see actually. Let's say you go by the door, you're putting a boy on the feet. What's going to be seen, what's up with the I see your song, I see one time. One more time, say one time. Yes, sir. I saw pennies of Alaga Busha. Say what?
Ngikuqhubeka isikhambile sikhuluma le ngoma ekade featurishe ukwanele yabona ngale update ayibona
Shanje khona uzoqonda madoda kasikele khona intelekela amandla sayophelela khona kazi kubanikelo afunga ukuthi njake ephumelele ngakhona siye khona phinde siye khona doda ikhothi ngabe phinde shone khona mina ngoba azi ngiyafana khona angisheshisa ngiphokophele khona useyokhala mama if iphumelele yami ngezanga sezojabula izitha if iphumelele yami ngezanga mina ngiyarephanda mfosi uvalele ka-ishile Baby, not a preacher. I'm not no karate. But you can bet I should know karate. I'm from the karate. But you let me have some. I'm not no karate. Sure. I'm not no karate. But you can bet I should know karate. Hey, who's up for karate? Oiba, napenda bad. Napenda heavy rain. Yagumelenga my flows. Up the coast with the heavy wave. Quick escape. Kanda na matata kata globus no kanda kata the waves in my head. Don't be sakata na anyone. What's the future?
Pero sonte zutalo wake tusi wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno sabe futhi shu kithi wetaliwe kithi Jogo, Jogo, sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno uthathonke shu jongo ne jongo likhala ngezandla kithi zikuma sithela let's go ashe kithi wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno uthathonke ule sondela nganeno shu wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno bangibisa ngempo ngoba ngingashadile nami ngumuntu kuyawenza amaphutha kodwa eshe angifuna uqamba amangadunga yami ngikhatshile hliziyo yami ungabudelile kodwa nakho umthandile udaliwe yasengifisa ukwazi ukuthi lona ngani wena umbone kanjani mase kulimaza futhi othandweni aze uzophola kanjani masilimeze tsheni ngoba phela mina udali ngiyamthanda ngiyokhola intaba ngiyitaba ngoba ngeke kamohe wetaliwe wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno uthando ngesihlulezo wetaliwe sondela nganeno sure kithi sa ashe sondela nganeno sure Jogo, likhala kithi wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno uthatha ngehlulezo let's go kithi wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno wetaliwe sondela nganeno uthatha let's go kithi bangibisa lempo ngoba ngingashadile akadinga ngokuthanda sami sithanda ngena mali we sondela
Are you ready for Umatolo? Are you ready for Fundis Umatolo?
Go!
What is the comments? Festival, 2025. Your performance was
Bali ngoma khuluma ngelahla
le ngoma khuluma ngelife yami